Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw sanrin rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pra.
Dorbar Synrai Jong ka Dorbar thau an ke Jylla kan Sdang na duk khat san Tarik bar kan kut haka lai phau Tarik unai lur ar haja apulai. Dorbar Synrai kan salong san Sngi bar hakini ki Sngi la ai lat a Sngi ki MLA bakin wanra yakimat ki baki kwa ban keren ha Dorbar. Yakni lai thu doblam phang ka Dorbar thau an u Thomas E Sangma. Ulam phang ula pentep ru ba ka jingtre ya ka Dorbar ka bathamai menta kala Sdang biang ba lakmi renti bakin la ban pendep hapo shisnem. Henry ulaong ba menta ka kanti kim pa le kirki than namar ba kim kwa shu ba kin jab yang kum kitu ki jingja ba menshwa ki ba udom jong ka Dorbar ba thamai ula khalam.
From 15th of September to 22nd. As I said earlier, will be 2 private members for private members, motions and so many other things, and 2 for government business, 3 days for government business.
So it will be 5 days, 5
Yes.
working days?
Yes. The progress is there, but I don't know whether because there are some technical issues which we cannot avoid, and I see that there's some technical issues, as I said earlier, which takes time, like clearing the debris, then going for the getting the approval of the designs, the new designs. But all that have been completed now, so the work is started already. Within a year, I hope so. Within a year.
So when will the construction...
But I don't want to do it in a hurry because all those incidents that happen. I don't want any kind of because of hasty decisions. We don't want. I don't want to risk any more incidents. So
But
we're going to finish it. At least within a year, we should be able to do it.
what about
Provided the weather permits. Because as we know, Shillong, we have all the 4 seasons in a day, so it rains anytime, the work stops. Funds are already been approved. The new revised estimate has already been approved.
Sir, the high-powered committee headed by you had already approved the new design for the dome. So when do we expect the construction will start, sir?
It already started, actually. It has already started because we were awaiting the approval for the design structures, the foundational structures, designs which has to be vetted by both the Roorkee IIT and Guwahati IIT, which has already been vetted and approved. Slightly modified design, but it is lighter. The earlier design was weighing about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 3,000 tons. Now it's been reduced considerably.
Sir, last time you have given the company to clear all the debris by April 15. So have these debris been cleared?
The
Sir?
debris have already been cleared. The work is already started. There are so many technical issues involved. For example, the structural area has also been increased. The floor area, the construction area was earlier smaller in size, now it's become bigger. So, which justifies, for the cost escalation also. It's not because of the time involved factors, the cost was escalated. It's because of the expansion of the area, construction area. Structural area was also become bigger. I am not aware of I can't remember the exact cost estimate, but it's I think 200 crores plus.
The additional 200 crores.
No, but total cost. It was about 147 earlier, 141. Now it's gone up to 200.